Hi Seema ma'am, I recently completed the space healing course with you. I just wanted to say thank you very much for coming up with such a wonderful course. I thought the concept was very unique because it helped me understand that space healing not just applies to your house or business or a physical structure, but it actually applies to human body. It was very intriguing to realize that you could actually talk to a person and understand what physical and emotional challenges they were going through and be able to diagnose what areas in their life really needed improvement. Was it money? Was it relationship? Was it career, etc. So I thought that was really unique. I love doing remedies through the course. They were pretty simple and easily doable. I love that they didn't require any structural changes. That kind of becomes a challenge for a lot of people. My favorite part of this course was doing case studies with you. It was just so simple to understand, again, the physical and emotional challenges somebody was going through and talk to them and ask questions about what areas in their life they were struggling with, and give them remedies accordingly to balance the elements, in different directions. I think this course should be a part of school curriculum for people. This is not just for professionals or professional healers and energy workers. I think this is also very important for housewives or employees that work at a firm or office, or people who run their business, because it helps them understand how to improve their life in all aspects. It could be wealth, money, health, prosperity, etc. So I'm just very grateful that you kind of made it very simple. So thank you so much for that.